8 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom and Saving More. Financial freedom is about living life without money stress, paying bills easily, handling surprises, and having choices. It's not about being a millionaire, it's about control. I've been there, figuring out how to save more and worry less, and I want to share what works. These 8 steps are straightforward, practical, and written like I'm chatting with you over coffee. No jargon, just real advice to help you save and build a freer future. Step 1. Make a budget you'll actually stick to. A budget is like a map for your money. It shows where your cash goes and helps you decide where it should go. I used to think budgets were boring, but they're honestly freeing. Start by writing down what you earn each month after taxes. Then list your expenses, rent, groceries, Netflix, everything. Use a notebook or an app like Mint if you like tech. Here's what I do. Track every dollar for 30 days. It's eye-opening to see how much small stuff, like $5 coffees, adds up. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for must-haves, rent, bills, 30% for fun, dining out, hobbies, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. Check your budget monthly. Life changes, and so should your plan. When I started budgeting, I found I was blowing $80 a month on random snacks. Cutting back let me save without feeling like I was missing out. Step 2. Kick debt to the curb. Debt feels like a ball and chain. Credit card bills or student loans can eat up your income, making saving tough. I had a credit card balance that felt overwhelming, but tackling it changed everything. Focus on high-interest debts first, like credit cards with 20% rates, because they grow fast. Here's how to start. Snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first for a quick win, then move to the next. It keeps you motivated. Avalanche method. Pay the debt with the highest interest rate first to save more in the long run. It's slower but smarter. Call your bank and ask for a lower rate. I did this once and got my rate dropped by 2%, which saved me hundreds. If you owe $3,000 on a card at 18% interest, minimum payments could take years. Adding $50 extra a month can cut that time in half. Step 3. Save for a rainy day. Life throws surprises, car troubles, medical bills, or losing a job. An emergency fund is like an umbrella for those moments. It keeps you from borrowing or dipping into other savings. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account, ideally one with decent interest, like 4% from an online bank. My approach. Start with $500. Even $20 a month adds up. Set up an auto-transfer to that account right after payday. You won't miss what you don't see. Only touch it for real emergencies, not pizza nights or new shoes. I saved $1,000 over a year by putting away $80 a month. When my dog needed a $600 vet visit, I was so relieved I didn't have to stress. Step 4. Save and invest without thinking. Saving is easier when it's automatic. I set up my bank to move money to savings before I can spend it. It's like tricking myself into being responsible. Investing a little each month can also grow your money over time, thanks to compound interest. Here's what worked for me. Open a high-yield savings account. They earn more than regular ones. Think 4% instead of 0.1%. Start investing with something simple, like an index fund that tracks the stock market. They're low risk and grow about 7% a year on average. If your job offers a 401k match, put in enough to get it. It's literally free money. Saving $100 a month at 7% could turn into $40,000 in 20 years. That's the power of starting early. Step 5. Live frugally, not cheap. Being frugal isn't about never spending, it's about spending on what matters. I love my morning coffee, but I make it at home now and save $100 a month. Look for ways to cut costs without feeling deprived. Some ideas. Cook dinner at home a few nights a week. A $10 homemade pasta beats a $25 restaurant plate. Shop second-hand for clothes or furniture. I got a great desk for $30 at a thrift store. Drop subscriptions you don't use. I cancelled a streaming service I barely watched and saved $15 a month. Small changes add up. Cutting $50 a month means $600 a year for savings or debt. 6. Earn more money. Saving is great, but making more money gives you breathing room. I started freelancing on weekends, and the extra cash made saving so much easier. You don't need a huge hustle, just something that fits your life. Try this. Ask for a raise if you've been killing it at work. Check sites like Glassdoor to see what others in your role earn. Pick up a side gig. Driving for Uber, tutoring, or selling crafts online can bring in $200 to $500 a month. Learn a new skill, like graphic design or coding. I took a free online course and started doing small gigs for $50 a pop. Every extra dollar you earn can go straight to savings or debt, speeding things up. Step 7. Keep learning and set goals. Financial freedom starts in your head. I used to think money stuff was too complicated, but reading a few books made it click. Clear goals also keep you focused. Without them, it's easy to lose steam. Here's what I suggest. Read Your Money or Your Life or listen to the Money Guy Show podcast. They're packed with simple tips. Set a clear goal, like save $5,000 for a car in 2 years. Then break it down, that's $208 a month. Join online groups like Reddit's personal finance community to swap ideas with others. When I set a goal to save $2,000 for a trip, breaking it into $100 monthly chunks made it feel real. Learning from others kept me going. Step 8. Think about retirement now. Retirement might feel far off, but starting now makes it easier to retire early or work less later. I learned about the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, which is about saving aggressively to live life on your terms. Here's a simple plan. Learn the 4% rule. Save enough so you can live off 4% of your investments each year. For $30,000 a year, you'd need $750,000 saved. Put money in a 401k or IRA. These accounts save you taxes and help your money grow. Start small. Even $25 a month in an IRA can grow to $20,000 in 30 years at 7% return. I started putting $50 a month into an IRA at 25. It's not much, but it's already growing, and I feel better knowing I'm planning ahead. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial freedom grow. Thanks for watching this video.